Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic miso soup full guide. Start by making a gentle kombu dashi. Wipe kombu, soak briefly, then heat and remove before boiling. Add bonito flakes, steep off heat, and strain to keep the broth clear and light. Measure miso carefully, dissolve in a ladle of warm dashi, and return to the pot off the boil to preserve umami and probiotics for a clean, balanced soup. Make dashi with care to form the foundation for true miso soup. Gentle heat preserves delicate flavors. When the kombu is removed, add bonito flakes, then steep briefly before straining so the broth stays clean. Always dissolve miso in a warm ladle of stock before returning it to the pot, and avoid boiling after miso is added. Finish with soft tofu, wakame, and thinly sliced scallions for texture and color that sing together warmly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the leak-proof containers pictured make meal prep easy and prevent spills when storing soup or sides, so they pair nicely with batch cooking miso bases. I dropped a link and some deals in the description for your convenience, and I think you'll find them handy. Now let's get back to the video. Explore variations that suit your palate while keeping technique consistent. Swap miso types for different intensity, or add mushrooms and clams for savory depth. Keep additions minimal and add them late so they remain tender and flavorful without overcooking. Warm bowls help preserve temperature and aroma, and a small side of rice or pickles complements the gentle umami. Trust tasting and small adjustments to dial in the perfect balance for your table.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.